Welcome back, guys. This section you are going to learn how to protect your sheet. Okay, so we would want to create a new sheet here and name it protecting your sheet. Okay, so we would realize that sometimes you have information that you don't want anyone to be able to tamper with it. You don't want anyone to be able to cause changes to it. So we would want to learn how we can do that. How we can protect users from changes to certain information that we have placed in a sheet. So this moment we would create an information here. Let's say name. Let's say age. Then let's say payments. Okay. So we are done with the payment. We are creating a border for it. Then we are going to get some names here. Joe Hood. Abigail. Joyce. Energy. Ima. Then okay, so now we've gotten this information here. We would want this information. I just want to create something nice in the Excel sheet. So I know where my figures are. It starts between C7 cell and end at E13 cell. So I want to create something nice here. I'm going to fill the box black. So let me zoom in so that you can see it well. I've created something nice here. What I did was that I highlighted the whole sheet and I made it black, and I highlighted the cells with the information, and I changed the color as well so that we'll be able to see what I'm doing clearly. Okay, so this moment we would want to restrict users from making changes to the names and the ages, but we would want to allow them to make changes to the payment. Okay, so this time around Johood is 20, Abigail is 19, Joyce is 21, Energy is 23, Ima is 15, then Ben is 25. Good. We want to restrict users from making changes to this data here, but rather they can change this amount. So Johood paid 2,000, and we want it in Ghana cedis. We've already learned how to change a figure to currency. So we go to our Ghana cedi here. We go to our currency here, then change the sign to cedis. We go to format cell, and we search our cedi sign. We press OK. So we want to reduce the figure here. We want to reduce the decimal numbers. We go to this column and we click it to reduce the decimal numbers, and we want to autofill and make some small changes here. Okay, so this moment This is how we would want it to be. And we want to restrict users from making changes to the age. Let me bold in it so that you see the difference. Let me make it big. Let me bold in this one also. Let me make it big. Make this one also big. Let me bold in this one. Let me make it big. Let me center this once. Let me center it. Let me place it in the middle. Okay. So now this is our information, and now we want to restrict users from using the data. So what we'll do is that we'll go to review. But before you get to review, you need to know that every cell is locked. The moment you open an Excel file, every cell is locked. Every cell has been given a restriction command for the users. So the cell had been locked although, but the cell had defaultly given permission for me to make changes in it. Okay, so this time around we would want to restrict some of the changes we can make to the cells. Okay, we want to highlight this cell here, and we'll press on our right button for the menu to pop up, and we'll go to the format cell, and we go to protection at the last column of the format cell, and you could see that there is a locked sign tick here. So that lock sign means that the cells are locked. So we have to unlock this. We have to click the mark on tick the lock sign so that we can leave the payment column unprotected. Okay, and press OK. So when you press OK, you realize that now this cell defaultly is not protected because we've gone to the menu format cell, and I've gone to protection. I've untick the protection sign. So it means that all the cells here are protected except these cells here. Okay, from cell E8 to cell E13. Okay, good. So now we will go to date review. So now we will go to review, and we will go to protect sheet. So before that, you have to click on any cell that is not unlocked. So therefore you have to click on any area other than the area you've unlocked. I mean the payment column. You can click on any area, any cells, because that cell is locked. Then we go to review. When we go to review, we go to protect sheets. Okay, so when we click on the protect sheets, now there's a menu that pop-ups here. It gives us the opportunity to enter a password to make the protect sheet secured. But this time around, we want to say that the protected cells should be locked. Okay, we want to say that the protected cells should be locked. So you realize that there is two box here. There is two ticked box here, and this two ticked box is the boxes that allow users to do whatever they want to do. Okay, and when we press, we have to unlock the select locked cells. When we click on the select locked cells, it means that we are restricting users from using all the cells that are locked, and we know that the cells that are locked are the default cells, but we are giving the users opportunity to use the cells that we have personally unlocked, like the one we did earlier. Okay, so we just leave the select unlock cells only ticked. We can also give chance to users to format cells, to format columns, to format rows, to insert rows, to insert hyperlink, delete column, delete rows. But this time around, we are not giving users all this access. We are giving users access to the cells that we have unlocked, and we are restricting users from changing the rule and making changes to anything aside the ones that we have unlocked, which is the payment column. Okay, good. So we have to let's set a simple password. Let's set a simple password here, 1234. Okay, and let's press OK. Then let's confirm the password, 1234. Then let's press OK. Good. Now you realize that when you click outside any portion of the sheet, it doesn't respond. When I click at the age, it doesn't respond. When I click on the payments, it doesn't respond. When I click on the information, the names, it doesn't respond. Okay, but when I come to the payment column and I click on the cells, you realize that it responds. Okay, and I can now alter changes to it. Let's say I would want to do this 5,000, and it has changed to 5,000, 3,000, and it has changed to 3,000. So I'm only limited to use this portion, but I'm not able to use the other portion. When you come to the row 2, I'm not able to change it. See, I can't even select all. I can't even select the rows. I can't even alter changes. I can't see. I can't even change the column reference. I can't alter changes to the column reference. I can't also alter changes to the row reference. I can't select anything here. I can't do that. So you try it and see. You will not be able to do that. Good. So when such happen, it means that we have restricted users from using any part of the sheet other than the sheet that we have unlocked. And we can also reverse this protection by clicking on the unprotect sheet at the review column. So at the review column, and entering our password we use for the protection and pressing OK. And when we are done, you realize that now the sheet is unprotected and is able to alter changes, and we are able to alter changes. So if you are owner of a business and you don't want the employees to alter changes to certain information, this is how you protect your sheet. Until they get the password, they cannot make changes to the protection sheet that you've locked, but rather the ones that you've opened for them to alter changes to. Thanks for learning with me. In our next lectures, we are going to learn how to restrict data cells. Very interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified in the upcoming lectures. Thank you.